Hey designers, let's create this animation in After Effects. Before we dive into this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start working on it now. Take a new document. Import the background. Drop it on the timeline. Scale it down. Adjust its position. Let's import the cake PNG here. Make it sit on the table. Now, adjust its position and scale. Import the cake dome PNG now. Adjust its position and scale too. Place it on top of the cake. Now, we'll add text here. Introducing. Select the font now. Adjust font size. Align it. Navigate to Effects and Presets. Animation preset. Text. 3D text. Drag and drop it on the text. Perfect. After the animation, trim this text layer by pressing Alt and the right square bracket on your keyboard. After the text animation, we want the cake dome to move upwards, revealing the cake. Click on the position clock. Move to the first frame. Add a blank keyframe. Now, come to the second frame. Move a few frames forward. Move the cake dome on top. Select the keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor. Edit it like this. Good. Now that the dome has gone upward, we will add the cake flavor here. Add another text. Adjust font. Add another text. Adjust font and size. Let's move pistachio to the next line. Adjust the text placement. Now, offset the text layers. Go to Effects and Presets. Drag and drop this 3D effect on the text layer. Now, we will animate magic particles. Go to Layer, New Solid. No matter what the color is. OK. In Effects and Presets, search CC Particle System. Drag and drop it on this new solid. Set birth rate to 0.5. Longevity to 1. Go to Producer. Radius x0. Radius y0. Go to Physics Properties. Velocity 0.1. Gravity 0.1. Particle properties. Particle star. Depth size 0. Opacity map. Fade in and out. Birth color white. Offset this solid layer from this moment. We want the magic particles to begin. Animate its position. Add a keyframe to the position. We want these magic particles to start from this point, so place the position bar here. We want these magic particles to start from this point, so place the position bar here. Move a few frames forward. Move the position. Move a few frames forward. Move the position. The magic particles will move from the cake to the text and then disappear. So, animate its position the way you want it to move. Move a few frames forward. Move the position. After the animation is done, trim the particles layer by pressing Alt and the right square bracket. Perfect. I hope this video was helpful. Like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.